Hi guys, welcome to another notification video by LifeScience exam notification channel. As you all are aware that NDA has released the provisional answer key and response sheet on 1st October 2022 and 3rd October 2022 was the last date for challenging the answer key. Now, I know you all must be curious about the release date of CSIR NET September 2022 result. As per my point of view, the result will be released in the first or second week of November. But as we know, nowadays, NTA is not organizing things as the previous trend. So we can see a little delay also. But I expect the result to be released by the second or first week of November. Please don't stress yourself thinking about the result. Work for the coming time, work for your future, and stay motivated. Guys, I have also released a course on cell biology. In that course, I will teach the complete cell biology for CSI and NET, GATE, and other competitive exams, as well as it will be helpful for BSc and MSc students. It will be a detailed course, so you can subscribe to my channel for watching my cell biology course and learning it. And please don't forget to like, share.